Get livinggold.com. It's where you want to be. Investing in gold, shining brightly and carefree. Physical.
3 mistakes people make with their IRAs. Mistake number 1, not diversifying. Too much reliance on stocks can be risky. Markets crash, and all your hard-earned savings could take a big hit. Mistake number 2, ignoring inflation. The cost of living goes up, but the value of your dollar stays the same or goes down. You don't want your retirement to fall short because your money doesn't stretch as far. Mistake number 3, not considering gold. Gold has been a safe haven for centuries, acting as a hedge against inflation and market crashes. Want to safeguard your future? A gold IRA might be the solution you need. Visit the link below the video or goldforthefuture.com to get a free gold information kit now. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.